Okay, we are ready. Oh, okay, so I do have the can of, Cosby's gonna get some. We're gonna prime fuel. There we go. Yeah, positive. Oh, we're out of the fuel here. What in the frig is going on? There we go. Positive fuel dripping on the floor. K-I-S-S, I want more. Okay, so got the cap off of the Twirly Whirly. The Super Snail. And the reason I'm calling it that is it's so small and cute. Ooh, and I didn't even have to clock this again. I mean, with the hoses, I was able to, finagle it. So I took the end cap off. Right there. They'll go back on when we're done. Hopefully after it cools off. Still no water. We do have the oil line, which this is all just kind of mock-up. I want to get it running. So we're going to spray in the Cosby sauce into that snout hole there. Got some room down there for it to wiggle and jiggle on the frame. Yeah. Let me take a peek. What do you see? Oh, Jesus. There we go. Level you out just a little bit there. Oh, for friggin' sakes. Come on. Get it too loose and it'll just flop around like, something that's useless. Well, what the hell is this? Oh, it's part of the phone. I'm looking at the black edge of the screen. Intelligent. Okay, so let's give her some smartage. Not too much, not too little. I have to hook up the lead for the injector pump. I hear it clicking. Maybe I should open the door up before I gas the shit out of myself. Oh, for frig's sakes. Oh, fuck off, you piece of shit. The landlord doesn't want to fix stuff in this place, so there's the optical... Just a second. I have to go and have a talk with my helper over here. What in the actual frig is your problem? There. Now, do what you're being told to do. You're getting paid lots of money, so you better just work. Forgot to release this. Okay. Back down, kid. No. Wrong. The other way. There you go. So. Oh, really? Frig you son of a boat sucking son of a... Ugh. I think I'm gonna fire him. Maybe it's a her. Transmogrified? I don't know what it is. Trip, fall, break my neck. It's okay, nobody's home. Okay. The door is open. Juice is on. Ether is expired. Only lasts so long on date night. Try that again. In the snout, not up, down the side. Okay, crossing fingers. I'm going to give her a little bit of the honey go, please. Oh, wait. I forgot this turned off. We want to have the spinny spins. I'm not a big fan of this thing. Oh, really? We got smoke. That's awesome. I don't see no spinning over in the spinny whirly twirly side though. But hey, helps if you put the oil cap that you can't use back on. There's black smoke. Did you see the black smoke? God, Jesus, son of a holy mother. Oh, she smells good. Sexual. Not quite, but. Woo! Getting excited. You want to see the fat man shake, you know? Hey, let's give her some more, you know. Cleaner needs a date night. Okay, so. Yeah. Oh, I hate this little. This thing was free. I don't know who gave it to me. I think my neighbor that moved gave it to me. Okay, so she's popping and chooching because she hasn't got the fuel. Let's make sure that we're getting the fuel here. Yeah. Not that I want to show you that much crack. I might go to jail. Holy jeez. Woo. Got cold there for a minute. It's like the Grand Canyon. Okay, a little more choochage. Yep, Cosby sauce. How much did you give her? All of her. We're going to open the throttle up all the friggin' way because I pre-oiled it. Oh, Jesus. She just doesn't seem to be getting the lotion or the motion and the fuel and the gruel. Damn, it's nice to have it running. Sort of. Why now? Come on. You were playing nice 2 seconds ago. Let's just feed her the fucking Cosby sauce in. Come on. Oh, you son of a goat sucker. And she's blowing black. By Jesus, it's running. Oh my God. Such a feeling. I don't want to show you my nether regions. They could be quite engorged. Okay, so I'm gonna try and do this and grab you, not sexually. Wait, put you over here. And then we'll tip you up so you can frickin' see. This is a cold start, damn it, with Cosby sauce. Okay, give it a little bit of the snarty. Yeah, okay. We'll have to do this, maybe not, I don't know. Oh, I'm getting excited. Oh, Jesus, getting excited, forgetting what my hands are supposed to do. Frick! She's sucked up enough fuel now, and she's running on her own. I'm not touching the fuel on her. Even the friggin' twizzly whirly fucking thing there is falling down. It's excited. She's getting fuel. I'm gonna shut it off in a second. We're letting her run. It's shaking the piss out of everything. But by God, she's fun. Look at that. Look, I'm not a big fan of the amount of smoke, but it still might be getting oil. It's going to be burning it off at a... Hey, she's already hot. Jesus, son of a... She's warm. Oh, wait. we popped a little oil out there too. So it's probably getting oil now that it's forcing the valves to close up some more. But my God, look at that big spin. Woo, doggy. Hey, look at the dirty side. Yeah. We're in the dirty hole too. You gotta be in the dirty hole. Every now and then you just gotta slip it into the dirty hole. Now, if the idle's brought up to where it's supposed to be idling, she smooths out, you see? This is below the idle set for the motor. Poor old Greta, she's just gonna be sitting out there screaming, "How dare you!" Don't got no heat on the intake manifold yet. Frig yeah! Woohoo! Okay, there you go. That is killing the injector pump. No power. Closes the solenoid. Shuts the fuel off. And that's her. Look at the smoke show, by Jesus. Just a lot more smoke than I want it to be. I know. We're going to seafoam the bastard at some point. We're going to put some in the crank. And then we're going to put some up the stovepipe. Well, not the stovepipe. The suck hole over here. The suck hole of the super snail. It's going to go in there. We're going to put it in. We're going to feed some of that in there. And we're going to hopefully free up some rings that may or may not be stuck. But this is fan-frickin-tastic. By Jesus. She runs. My dipper sticker here. My dip in my wick is a little broken. Let's see what we got for any of the dinosaurs left. It's blurry. Well, I gotta add some more dinosaurs. But it did prime the oil system. I did prime the turbo before I fired it. So what I was doing is just turning the motor over. No injector pump. So she didn't get spin. It didn't make that turbo spin. Nothing. It was dry. No fuel dry, I mean. So it would not fire at all. No ether, no nothing. None of the Cosby sauce. We wanted to do it dry. No Cosby sauce. No diesel fuel. Look. She got some heatage in her. She's chooching a little bit of the smoky there. Hello, how are you? Oh, how are you? So good. I liked you today. Don't play with your hose. Bad. It's very bad. Bad. I know you like that. It's okay. So anyway, oil line on, turbo on, intercooler on. Frig yeah, baby. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, don't know if you can tell. You can't tell by the menopause or the menstruations in my voice, but I'm kind of excited. You can't see me dancing either. Thank Christ for that. Jesus. The 52 subscribers I have. Gone! All 52 in 2 seconds of watching the video. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I know. You want me to fire it up again, right? All right, yeah, I can do that. Okay, just a second here. Okay, because it no glow plugs, and the idle is set too low, it's hard. We just give it a, of course, in the pipe. There we go. Okay, so we come back over here. I got to put the wire back in there. I got to put you down because I need 2 hands. Oh, don't bitch about it, jeez. Okay, hold on. Give me the teeth. Get in there. There we go. I got the spank you, crank you button. And here we go. Yeah. What? No thunder. No thunder? Maybe not enough. Give her some more of the Cosby sauce. How much you giving it? All of it. What the hell was that? Oh, the Wonder Boom over there shut off. It makes a weird sound. I thought maybe it was an attack from the aliens above or something like that. Greta Thunberg, whatever her name is coming to get me. Yeah, there you go. Look at that, eh? Now, like I said, this is not set right. So, I gotta finish this stuff. Fenders on, wiring harness, make sure I get a power lead for this, key, blah, 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 blah. And then do the rest of the fuel system, make sure that's all hooked up. Which, I've got the tank in the back, I've got to get underneath, and I got about that much room for my head, my drill, and everything else, because I got to drill some holes in the frame. So I got that much room to get everything in there. Plus then I get all the sprinkling shavings on my face that are hot and burning. And then if the drill ever grabs and kicks, I get a nice, you know, that game they talk about, whack fuck. Yeah, I get that one. And I get it right in, it might help. Might make me better looking. Probably not. Anyway, so yeah. And just since, I don't know if some of you guys were here when I first fired this thing up, after it had been not run for so long, the smell is different because it's now burning the fuel under pressure. Oh. Ooh, I might start dancing. Calm myself down. I'm okay, I think. So, yep. So, I got to make a bracket for that because these are the fuel lines here coming. I could skip this, but I like this because it's got a primer on it right here. So I want to put that in somewhere in here. I got some bolts there. I can make a bracket of some angle iron and fangle and dingle and dongle and all sorts of weird stuff. The fenders may have a spot on the splash apron that I can mount this and then like get rid of some of this ugliness, or maybe run some, you know, fresh fuel line. Nah. Who does that? Come on. It's like putting new brakes on. Who needs brakes? It's a diesel. They got compression braking. That's all you need. Oh, but I do have to be careful running this because that pump is dry. Don't want to mess that pump up. It's kind of pricey. Let's give her a... Nope, she's cold. I'm hoping we're good. Kind of fucked up. I forgot about the pump. I forgot. Bad. But the vacuum pump here, right here, is going to be undone from that line. This line will be taken off, saved, and there'll be a line brought, well, somewhere. Well, from here, this line here will be taken off and saved, and then it's got to be brought up into here. So I got brakes. And then, of course, you got to do brakes and the lift kit. And, hey, but it runs. Let's not talk about the rest of it. That's way too depressing right now. It runs. Do the happy dance. Hey, it is running all the way. I'm out of here.